Okay, astronomy class, this is how you find Venus in the daytime. Using my app, I use Planet Droid, but there are other apps. I found the altitude and azimuth of Venus, and it was azimuth 201 degrees and altitude 71 degrees. And then I found that of the sun, and the sun was azimuth 121 and altitude 45. So we're going to subtract. 71 minus 45 is 26. 201 minus 121 is 80. Now Venus's number is bigger than the sun, so we have to go to the right. Venus's number is bigger than the sun's, so we have to go up. So from the sun, we're going to go right 80 and up 26. Okay, with that information, I just broke my pen. With that information, I have those tick marks right down here. Those are 10 degrees. I got these tick marks. Those are 10 degrees. I pointed it at the horizon, and I pre-focused the eyepiece to something on the horizon. If the moon were up, I would focus on it because it's infinite. The horizon's only a couple miles, but close enough for right now. So now I'm going to point the scope at the sun. And when you do this, you're going to block the scope. I'm not going to block the scope right now, but I want, Alan, if you could put a shadow right for your camera right on that shadow right down there. And when I'm pointing at the sun, notice how the telescope's shadow gets round. So I now know I'm pointing at the sun. Now, Alan, if you can come over here, don't put it in there, but if I adjust it, you can see the incredible intense glare on there. That's the sun. You're not going to do this on your scope because this is really bad to do. All right, so now I have to go right 80. So here's my tick marks. Lucky me, it's already on a tick mark. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I got to go up 26. On these tick marks, I'm at about 8. So that would be 2 plus 10 is 12 plus 10 is 22, and I have to go up 26. So I got to go about 4 more, right about there. So I'm going to look in here, and the first thing I notice is Venus is not in there. So I'm going to logically search. I'm going to go up and down, right and left. So I'm going to make some zigzag patterns until I bump into the little booger. And now hopefully my eyepiece really is pre-focused enough to see her. Yep. Sometimes you got to do this 5 or 6 times. Who knows what could have gone wrong? It could be I'm not pre-focused good enough. It could be I did something wrong. It could be I just missed. It could be that my tick marks are loused up. So I'm going to do it again. I noticed on my tick marks this morning that when I did them, I don't think I did them long enough. So instead of being 10 degrees, I'm going to pretend they're 9 degrees. So I'm going to go 9 tick marks right and 26 up. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The reason I did that is instead of being 10 degrees, maybe they're only 9 degrees. So 8 divided by 9 is really close to 9. Then up 26, so there's 2, 12, 22, 4 is 26. And let's see if I get luckier this time. And believe it or not, this does work. I don't think it's too smoky. I think I'm just not nailing it. Anyway, bottom line is, you can do this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, whatever. And when you get lucky, which I'm not getting lucky, you'll get Miss Venus in there. All right, I'm just going to look for another minute. It's probably boring looking at me doing this. It'd be nice if I could find it. We'll put the camera on the telescope and let you see what Venus looks like right here. All right, so I am failing miserably. But I guarantee this works. And maybe my tick mark's on in just the right spot. Maybe I've just got stupid. I don't know. But maybe I got to try 3 or 4 more times. But this really does work. And your job is to find Venus during the daytime. Now, once you get it, you can take your camera and stick it up there and click it, and you can actually get a picture of Venus and show it to me. All right, good luck. I hope you do better than I did, and I'm sure you will. Okay, thank you. You can go ahead and kill it.